Okay, y'all, we're finally in the room. Our room is right now ready. I put it that way. I'm at the DoubleTree, San Pedro, Los Angeles, Port of Los Angeles, in room 245. So I'm not going to walk outside the door because there's people in the hall and I don't want all the noise and that kind of thing right now on the camera. But let me show y'all this room, y'all. When you first come in, of course, as always, you have your evacuation map and plan on the back of the door and the law about, of course, threatening the workers, how they'll, of course, sue you or put you out or that type of thing. So be sure y'all ain't doing none of that stuff. I put it that way. And this over here, of course, when you first come in the door, of course, I guess I can just open the door so you can get a gist. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, here's my 245. I want to close myself out. Okay. So coming on in, y'all. Like I said, the first part. Uh-oh. It's right here. They have a small closet. Well, it's actually not a small closet. It's a big closet, actually. But it's a closet they have in here as well with the ironing board hangers, luggage rack, and all that kind of stuff, and the safe down here, too. And they also got some information if you want to have your clothes cleaned, which I normally don't at all, never have, and I won't for this trip either, put it that way. So over here, of course, is the bathroom. Oh, it's the bathroom. Of course, it's the regular bathroom. Of course, everything's clean, lovely, nice, all that kind of stuff, towels stacked and all that kind of stuff going on too. With your hair dryer, counter hair dryer. And of course, there's the bathtub and shower. And of course, Hilton, every time I go to Hilton, they always have the Crabtree conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. So I never have to bring that. So in the cruise ship, usually have them too. But like I said, I never have to bring that. So going on into the room, of course, you see my luggage right here. Here I am on camera. Say, hey, y'all. All right. All right. Over here is the bed. They have a side table over here, and my stuff is up there too. And there's, of course, it's the bed. I think it's a queen size bedroom because that's what I had chosen for my room type. And of course, they have another um, bedside table as well. Of course, your phone and all that kind of stuff is up there too. But I'm loving this little Chase lounger, y'all. I'm loving this. This is so cute. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And of course, there's my window. My pretty window. I don't know what the heck is out here. Oh, you can see the marina kind of from this angle too. The marina, I showed y'all some of the video earlier, but the marina where all the boats are is right there too. That's awesome. I didn't realize it was right there. I like that. Okay. And then, of course, you have your desk and your chair. As usual, I put it that way. You use that desk and chair. And the refrigerator is on the floor. They have like a tiny refrigerator, but that is on the floor, y'all, for this particular hotel. And of course, here's the TV. The remote's back there because I haven't actually found nothing to watch yet, but I will definitely, of course, sit down, try to watch something, and go get some food in about like 30 minutes or so because the restaurant opens up at 4 o'clock, so I can't go down and get food until 4 o'clock. So like I said, yeah, but I want to give y'all a tour at least of the hotel room so you can know, of course, what's going on with this hotel, where I'm staying at, what it's looking like, all that kind of stuff. Let me cut the light. There we go. Trying to get the lights right. I'm about to make it dark up in here so I can relax a little bit because I am wore the heck out. I've been up since 3:30 this morning, y'all. I am tired. If y'all know anything about traveling or have traveled, usually your day getting in is usually the hectic day, and it's for me the worst because I mean, not the worst as far as like the scenery or travel, but you just be tired, having to get up early, having to go to all these airports, having to board a cruise ship, do all this stuff is usually a drag of a day to me. And I usually have to rest a lot so I can, of course, be ready and amped to go fight the rest of the trip. I put it that way. So like I said, y'all, I want to show y'all the room and just give y'all that tidbit, especially if you haven't traveled yet. Because I don't think I even told y'all, Lord, y'all, Lord. This is my first solo cruise. My first solo trip, cruise trip. Like I said, I don't think I told y'all that, but I'll do another video about it too. But like I said, I am so excited. I'm going on Carnival Firenze tomorrow. It's a 4-night, 5-day cruise. I cannot wait to show y'all how that ship looks. I never actually been here to Long Beach either. San Pedro. Everything is a first for me. My first solo trip. My first time being in San Pedro at this hotel in this area. First time coming to Long Beach. First time getting on Carnival Firenze. And my first time, of course, going to Ensenada and Catalina Island. So I cannot wait to show y'all how these ports are going to look, y'all. I'm excited, y'all can tell. I'm very excited. But like I said, this is my first solo trip, cruise trip. So like I said, y'all, stay tuned. Like I said, y'all, we're going to have some fun. I'm pretty sure I'm going to show y'all how it goes down on a cruise ship. Without the drinking, because your girl doesn't drink. But without that part, y'all. So like I said, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. So make sure that you stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned.